Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a floating illusion necklace. And this is going to be a super easy, quick project for beginners, and you will need minimal tools. Really all you will need is scissors to cut your thread. So this string, if I wanted to break it, I could. See that? So you don't even have to have scissors. That's how beginner and easy it is. If you don't have pliers, then don't use a jump ring and just slip your thread through the hole of the lobster clasp. What I'm going to do is thread on my beads. So when you thread them on, you put the thread through once and then you go halfway around and slip it back inside to make a loop, then pull, and there's your bead added to your thread. So a lot of people, they will use crimp beads on either side of their bead to hold the bead into place, but this also holds it into place, and you don't need crimp beads and you don't need any fancy tools. So we have that. I'm going to add 4 more down, and I've chosen a matte silver because it's winter. So I love all my metallic tones. I'm someone that just doesn't wear silver or yellow gold or rose gold. I love my bronze, my copper, but because it's winter, I thought I can get the most wear out of this color right now. And so what I would suggest, your first necklace, you can choose beads that you think you can wear often with your wardrobe, and it'll just be a nice, pretty, casual necklace, or depends how fancy your beads are, that you can just slip on and go. And it's quite trendy. I've seen this on a lot of celebrities, but when I see them wear it, they have one bead at the center and that's it. It's very pretty and it's just a little bit of sparkle. I even see it on their wrist. So it is quite neat. So simple, so inexpensive. I have all of my 5 beads on. And I will adjust them later. The cool thing about this method is you can adjust them to be placed wherever you want. Whereas if you put crimp beads on either side of the bead, you can't ever adjust them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a couple knots around my jump ring. So we don't need any fancy tools. So now that I have this one on, I want to look in the mirror, hold it up to my neck, and get a good idea of how much I want to cut. So I haven't cut the other side yet because now I want to measure it. So when you measure for the other side, you want to keep in mind the length of your clasp, and you also want to keep in mind the tail, the long tail that you'll be using to help you grasp and tie your knots. I'd rather go too short instead of too long because I can always add a chain extender. Don't cut at your knot, cut next to it, but not on it or at it, obviously. Also, you can even take a marker, a dark marker, and mark the tip so it's easier to see when you're threading your beads on. I'm going to knot this a couple of times, and I have enough tail to do so. Alright, so let's see my tail. This looks good. Just under 3 inches. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I have a playlist with more. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave down in the comments below.